Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break.
Today's a huge day. We're revisiting something from our historical past.
From the historical books, she is correct. Today we're celebrating Amazon Prime Day.
It was last week, but better late than never.
We were traveling, but this is all stuff we got from it that we're gonna try right now.
Someone else ordered it, but we're gonna try it out.
Don't tell them that. But before we begin, you guys, I don't even know how to talk right now.
It's an emotional time.
There's nothing going on. It's like a projector that starts skipping. I feel like that's what's going on in my brain.
Wow, that's so film noir of you. Okay, before we jump in to the stellar episode, sure to be stellar episode about Amazon Prime, have you subscribed yet?
If you haven't, we're very upset, and we would like you to now. And then if you hit the bell, because maybe you did subscribe, but the bell gets the notifications.
And you gotta be notified, you know? All right, let's do this.
I was like, where do we even begin?
There's just so much. Let's start with this, is this mud? This is Arabica Coffee Scrub, and it's anti-cellulite, anti-stretch marks, spider veins, wrinkles, and detox.
Perfect to use on our hands.
Honestly, I mean, I actually got a facial recently, and they were like, girlfriend, you best be doing what you're doing with your face on your neck.
Yeah, well, that's crucial, and people don't do that as much.
Your hands and your décolleté.
Anyway. Amazon Prime Day was July 16th, and it's basically like their big sale day that's available to people that are Prime
members. Yeah.
Members. I was going to say subscribers, but
I think that's the right word. Do you subscribe? Obviously you do.
Yeah. I think it's like $100 a year, and then you get free shipping on like everything.
Listen, this is not an Amazon commercial, but I live for Amazon, and if you don't subscribe to Prime, like get on the bandwagon because it's amazing. Do you want a bite?
I really don't like coffee, and it just I didn't put two and two together that that's what it was going to smell like. But basically, did we say that it's just their big sale day? So everything here was like
on sale. So this, wow, talk about a deep discount, you guys. This coffee scrub originally was $15.45 on Prime Day.
Coffee scrub.
Prime Day, you're almost gonna save $1 because this costs $14.68.
Wow, you really found the deal.
Holy crap! This is like a 70 cents of a savings.
That feels like more of a mistake than a sale. Is everything on here? No. There's some of this stuff is actually heavily discounted. This is just not one of them.
Amazing.
If you like coffee, no.
No coffee flavor, all salt. Look at how much salt's in there. Try it. Take a bite. Come on, put your tongue in there.
But
it's great, right?
It's so salty.
So you just
oh my god.
in a circular motion.
It's so bad. How did you not react?
It's great. It's so
Lily, you're so dramatic. Okay, it's a set of printed greeting cards for every occasion. Prime Day launch.
So they must have just come out.
Okay, that means that they chose the sale day to launch.
And these cost $13.99.
Tie the knot. Save this for when you have the twins.
Oh, right, for Megan and Lily. We're coming up on that. By the way, 2.7 million subscribers, close to 4 million. Okay, so wait, so this is like 6 cards that cost $13.99. Is that a deal?
I don't know. Cards to me are kind of a waste of money in general.
Listen,
unless you're writing a really heartfelt note, no one's saving them.
Wouldn't you just want to tell the person, Lily?
You send out cards for New Year's that say the year on them. You are it for me.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
Wait, I screenshotted the best comment about how we would be the best lesbian couple
because
really
we would be
very
so
supportive of each other.
We'd be so powerful.
Anyway, these are kind of boring, but $13 available on Amazon. They're actually really cute if you like cards.
I like paper goods.
There's 2 tie the knots, so you don't have to decide which couple you're going to give it to.
Exactly. Update. I'm so glad John Cena and Nikki Bella are still getting married.
Oh.
Just wanted to
Really?
share.
I know you were very heavily invested.
Very invested in that thanks to Total Bellas.
There's something that is making me not feel like I can walk down that aisle right now. Yeah. And that doesn't mean ever with him. I just can't do it right now. Yeah.
I'm really hot.
So moving on.
Wait, also this isn't from Amazon Prime Day, but I just wanted to wear it and support because this is
Adeline
Girl Supporting Girl, Adeline Marin's merch.
We really love you.
That was it.
Love
okay,
your merch.
link is below. Anyway.
Okay, so this is a makeup eraser, which we have featured a lot on this show.
But we used a pink one.
Yeah, but this is actually so much better because it's black. I think black is better because it looks less disgusting and dirty.
True, but then for someone like me, like I would really enjoy that factor, but then I would like not wash it as much because then you like aren't
Don't know
aware
that it's dirty.
as how dirty it is.
That's true. But I have to give a shout out to Amazon and the makeup eraser. This is actually very deeply discounted. From $20, this is down to $13.57.
So I'm a little sorry because you're not going to be able to get these deals because Amazon Prime Day already happened, but you could always prepare for next year. And if you want any of these in the meantime, we're going to link our Amazon store.
Yeah, in the description. Yeah, we have our own
not
Amazon
like an
store.
actual store, but you get it.
Okay, up next we have the Kangzi pack. It's Milky Piggy. What is this?
Milky Piggy was that bubble mask we did forever
all
ago.
over your body?
Yes.
The one that covered your whole body? Bye.
Yeah, we'll see you. See you in 10 minutes.
Bye, Lil. Have fun.
This is the 24 karat. That's how they advertise gold.
It's really
Looks like
relatable.
slime.
So this went down in price from $11.89 to $11. So you are saving 89 cents on this.
It feels like a bit of a ripoff to call it like a huge like prime sale day if it's like not
Well, I guess
real.
beggars can't be choosers, but at the same time, it's like, I feel like it should be at least 25% off. Okay, so.
It kind of looks like the Peter Thomas Roth one.
It does, and Lily has become obsessed with skincare lately. Have you been doing a lot of masks?
No.
I love masks.
I'm
I do
having
one
a bit
almost
of a
every
skin
day.
issue right now. I really hope the lights are bright enough that no one can see it. Can you? I hope not. Don't zoom in.
It also says on here, if you swallow this, get medical help.
Well, we'll keep this away from you then.
Anywho, this feels good, feels great, super into it. What do you have over here that you can hook me up with?
Okay, well, we have two massage things, but I feel like we should wait and use
Okay.
those later. What's
Great.
this? A wireless charging phone holder. I feel like this isn't gonna work for my phone. We both have, you have the new one, don't
Do you need an Android for this?
No.
And it costs $30, which I think is that a steal? Press the release button to either open or close. Oh! Okay, you can now quickly and wirelessly charge your device. Simply place it onto the wireless charger surface.
I think it has to be the other way.
Are both lights on? Yeah, I have an 8. Oh!
Oh, yeah, I need a newer phone.
Are you serious?
What was that reaction?
I did not think this was
Are you serious?
Oh, my mask is still on my hand. As you can see, my hand looks
Is that,
youthful.
that's the mask that turned white?
Yeah, isn't that weird? It's like changing colors.
Still smell good?
Yeah, I was gonna lick it, but then I remembered I can't do that. Anyways, let's move on. What's this?
This is an on-the-go teeth whitening pen. Whiten your teeth in just minutes per day.
It's like a Stila lip gloss.
And it says brush the gel onto your teeth. It's mint flavored.
I think I got a little too much.
I was like, it's supposed to dissolve on its own though. It's mint. You don't like it? You don't want to eat it? While you're whitening your teeth, we're just gonna help you relax a little bit. Let me just plug this in real quick.
We literally had this exact thing, but I think it disappeared. Probably someone stole it, maybe.
No, it was not me. I have one at home, but Caroline gave it to me. So and
put it
by
on-
gave, I mean let me borrow, and then I haven't
Never
given it
gave
back.
back. Wow! Oh, I get to wear it? Wow.
Well, you need to relax during your teeth whitening procedure.
I know, it's too bad I can only put one
what do
hand
you do?
in.
That's
Isn't
not
that
what-
how you do
no,
it? That's what it
no.
looks like in the photo.
Just in here.
Oh, I don't want to put my masked hand in there. Oh, whoa, I can feel it doing things in my tendons and joints. Here, you want to try this? I know you do.
Oh,
my
this is nicer
gosh.
than the one I have.
Look,
oh
this
my
is-
god.
This is actually a deal, you guys. This is an amazing
Literally,
deal.
I have goosebumps.
This was originally $89.99, and this is down to $69.99. So finally, a substantial discount. Let's move on to the 3 doodler start. This is how you can make your own hex bug creature. What's a hex bug? The LED light will turn a solid red when the pen is warming up. And you just stick it in there.
Oh, it is like a glue gun.
Until you feel it grip. And then
I guess that's gripped. It's going.
Oh, there it is. It's coming out. What are you making?
I don't know. I panicked and I haven't decided. Should I just should you like my
An
name?
L. How about just an L?
Oh, it won't stop. Okay. It's okay.
Guess how much that cost? You're never gonna
It's
guess.
too much.
Guess.
30.
$79.99.
This was $80?
But look at what you made. So this is
Kind of
an
fun to watch.
all-natural lip balm boutique.
Do you remember what happened the last time we tried to make lip balm?
This is a horror movie.
But this actually cost, wow, this is a steal, Lil. 20 bucks down to $8.15.
I would just maybe buy some.
I know, but this would be fun if you were a kid. Don't you think so?
If it went well, I'm sure kids probably followed the directions better than we did when we made it, but it was just kind of a mess.
She needs help with your gloves.
Oh, let me help you. Excuse me. Do you need help with that? Do you need help with this? Is this what you need help with? Okay, so this is a smart Wi-Fi light switch. You switch this out with your light switch and then it's connected to the internet and you can like mind control your lights. It's actually a good deal. It was $51.70 and now it's all the way down to $34.99.
I would pay that for convenience.
$34.99.
But then like also, couldn't you just avoid this situation and get like the
It's-
Alexa
yeah.
yeah, and then you just like plug it in where the outlet.
I just say, Alexa, turn on the lights! And then she turns them on. Oh my gosh, you need this! It's a cooling pad for all your effing.
Oh, this is just kind of
And
nice.
there's actual fans inside.
That is how it works. What?
Art never sleeps, Lily.
What did you do?
I know, isn't it beautiful?
It's a nice little. This is very entertaining. I have to say, not worth $80.
I think we actually only have one more thing, and it is this cushion right over here.
I know people put these like in their cars, and I feel like
They
I should
do?
jump on that bandwagon.
You should, especially for like a long drive somewhere. The massage seat cushion originally cost $45.99. On Prime Day, it was $33.99.
I prefer massagers like that like actually move because to me like just a vibe like this is literally just vibrating.
Does it not feel good though? I mean, would it feel good like in the car, you think, maybe?
It wouldn't be like I don't know. This would not fix like if your back hurt. It's still going.
Look, I made you a headdress. Come over here. It's art.
Okay, we're done.
Actually, it's
This
more of a
is-
necklace.
I don't know.
It's more of a necklace. It's 3D.
Thank you.
Oh.
Anyway, I think that's it for Amazon Prime Day this year. So sorry, we don't really understand what just happened in this episode. Kind of blacked out. I think last year's Amazon Prime Day was better. That's it for today's episode.
You guys, thanks for watching. This has been really fun. I'm going to be here starting a 3D printing business. Bye. Ow! But it feels so good. Here, try it like this.
Oh, that's nice. The episode's over. What are you doing?
Like a little head massage.
Oh my god.
Guys, you've made it through yet another Clevver Style video. Congratulations to you, and also thank you. But if you want even more, click somewhere over here, because there's another video waiting for you that is probably really good. It is really good. I'm not saying probably. Anyway, then subscribe, because that would be nice and we would really appreciate it. But then also hit the bell. I know it's a lot, but like, you love us, right?